Russia's defense ministry on Wednesday blamed the illegal use of mobile phones by its soldiers for a deadly Ukrainian missile strike that it said killed 89 servicemen, raising the reported death toll significantly. Moscow had earlier reported that 63 Russian soldiers were killed in the deadly New Year missile attack. The ministry's reaction came amid mounting anger among some Russian commentators who are increasingly vocal about what they see as a half-hearted campaign in Ukraine. Soldiers' use of banned phones allowed the enemy to locate its target, the Russian military has now said in the statement released. Russia said that at 12:01 local time on New Year's Day, 6 rockets were fired from a US-made HIMARS rocket system at a vocational college, 2 of which were shot down. The deputy commander of the regiment, Lieutenant Colonel Bachurin, was among those killed, the Ministry of Defense said in a statement on Telegram in the early hours of Wednesday. A commission is investigating the circumstances of the incident, the statement added. But it is already obvious that the main cause of the attack was the presence and mass use of mobile phones by troops in range of Ukrainian weapons, despite this being banned, he added. This factor allowed the enemy to locate and determine the coordinates of the location of military personnel for a missile strike. Officials found guilty in the investigation will be brought to justice, the statement added, and steps are being taken to prevent similar events in the future. The anger of the Russian commentators on social media was mostly directed at military commanders rather than the Russian President Vladimir Putin, who has not commented publicly on the attack, which was another blow after major battlefield retreats in the recent months. The vocational college which was attacked was packed with conscripts at that time. Men who were among the 300,000 called up in President Vladimir Putin's partial mobilization in September. Ammunition was also being stored close to the site, which was reduced to rubble. Ukraine's military has said that it launched a strike that resulted in Russian loss of equipment and possibly personnel near Makivka, but it has given no further details. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky made no mention of the attack in a video address on Tuesday, in which he said Russia was set to launch a major offensive to improve its fortunes. We have no doubt that current masters of Russia will throw everything they have left and everyone they can round up to try to turn the tide of the war and at least delay their defeat, Zelensky said in a video address. The attack was another blow to Putin and what he calls a special military operation to deter threats to Russian security and to protect Russian speakers. Ukraine and its allies accuse Moscow of an unprovoked imperialist-style grab for territory.